A scene that you'll only see on Local 10 News tonight. An apparent case of road rage caught on camera. A pickup truck is seen closely tailing a Tesla with a child inside, and then suddenly that pickup truck slammed right into the Tesla. Local 10 News reporter Roy Ramos spoke with the victims today and is live now with our exclusive tonight. Roy.
Calvin, this was a father who was driving right here on Northwest 78th Avenue when he said that driver of that truck pulls up beside him, then pulls up next to him and hits him. All of this while his 6-year-old son was in the car with him. Video cameras on a Tesla sedan recording as it's sideswiped by a raised white Dodge Ram truck. The crash, the victim says, intentional and the result of road rage.
Both his tires hit me on the side, driver's side door, and then he fled.
The wreck happening on Northwest 78th Avenue near 174th Street in Palm Springs North just before 3:30 Tuesday. The father, who chose not to show his face for his safety, said he just picked up his 6-year-old son from school when the video shows the aggressive driver pull up right behind him. The victim tells me he was already in the lanes of traffic when he notices that driver begin to tailgate him. So he rolls down the window and tells that driver, back off.
And he became visibly irate, started yelling in his car, flailing his hands around, accelerated, came up alongside me and hit me with his car.
The impact tearing up the paint and denting the driver's side door and rear fender of this Tesla. These images capturing the distinctive features of the suspect's truck, like these black and silver rims and all-white front grille and bumper. While his father said the damages to his car can be repaired, it is his son's safety and other drivers he now worries about, with this menacing driver still on the roads and capable of doing this again.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's not the first time or the last time that he's going to drive that way. Do the right thing, turn himself in, and face the consequences.
And that driver still has yet to face the consequences. Fortunately, that father and son were not injured in any of this, but Miami-Dade police are now looking for whoever was behind the wheel. If you recognize that truck or know who was driving it, you are urged to call Miami-Dade Crime Stoppers. That number, 305-471-TIPS. For now in Palm Springs North, Roy Ramos, Local 10 News.
Just frightening. Okay, thanks a lot.